Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So Terra Luna back to $1. Let's see, guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Share with you guys our thoughts and opinions on if Terra Luna could actually do something, guys. So let's be straight real, guys. Anybody that's here searching Terra Luna knows straight off the rip. Do not be putting in bukus and bukus of money trying to make 100 million, billion, 10 billion, trying to become the richest man in the world, because I know the math is looking good. I know everybody got their calculators out, been having their calculators out since the collapse. Like, man, oh man, I could get 100,000 for 10 now. I can get 1 million for 100. I can get 10 million tokens for 1,000. I can get 100 million for 10 bins. So they trying to spend 10 bins and get 100 million. Soon as it go back to $1, they got $100 million. Soon as it go to $10, they got a B. They got $1 billion. So that's how people is thinking out there, guys. But my thing is, and my strategy, never get caught up in the mix, never get caught up in the hype. Always aim small, so that way you'll miss small if it don't go your way. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and know from the rip, this is straight, risky stuff. This is like buying a lotto ticket, but it's better than a lotto ticket because the chances is that much higher. So even if we don't get a bounce that sustain itself, meaning if it don't, bounce and continue to go back to the levels, even if it's 20 years from now, get back to where it previously was before the collapse, even if it don't do that, we just here for a nice, decent bounce, guys, even to a penny, even to 5 cents, even to 10 cents. It don't have to get to $1 necessarily, but a crazy bounce from these levels that it's at, people can make buttloads and buttloads of money, guys. So all it takes is, a very small amount to turn it to a large amount. And if you want to be greedy, you could take a large amount and turn it into a small amount. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys, because Terra Luna has massive, massive potential, guys, especially being for the fact that it did have its collapse during Bitcoin, during the overall crypto market having this downturn. So when the market is still having this downturn, like I told you guys, I'm expecting and being calling out Shiba Inu. I sold out in the 20s. I prepared everyone for the drop on May 12th when it lost a 0 to the downside, showing 5 zeros instead of 4, which I said we would come back down and test again. Also with Bitcoin, when it was trading in the $50,000-$60,000 territory, I was alerting everyone, letting them know that Bitcoin was about to come down, test support at 30, and it was going to break it. Not no possibility ifs, and coulds. It was going to break it. And when it does, it's going to go all the way back to the 2018 previous all-time high. If you didn't know, Bitcoin hit an all-time high of $20,000 before hitting $60,000+. So that's what we going back to. We came down to 25K on May 12th. A lot of people didn't expect that, but hey, we did it. And I believe we're going down to test that level again. And it's a clear gap fill after breaking 29, 30,000 to that 19, $20,000 range, guys. And I do believe Bitcoin could even go lower than that once it hit that level, and depending on how demand and how, how everything is during once it get to that price. So you want to be very, very careful, very skeptical, because a lot of people know what happened to Luna, and they is very, very quick to hit that sell button now, being for the fact that they don't want to be a second Luna. They don't want to be a victim of a second Luna crisis. So you already know, guys, about where everybody in fear, why everybody's scared, why everybody panicking. That's where we come in at, and you want to scoop up that fear. That's where you make buttloads and buttloads of cash. But we want to do it very smartly and meticulously, meaning aiming very small, and hopefully we hit big. But if we don't, we got a small miss. That way we can have miss after miss after miss after miss. You can miss 5 times and it equals up to somebody that done, your 5 misses still ain't one person lost. Somebody that's playing too aggressively. You can miss 5 times and that one of their losses still don't equals up to your 5 misses. They still lost more than you because they playing the wrong game. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Luna has a lot of growth potential after the recent price collapse. Terra Luna made headlines globally on May 9th, 2022 after the stablecoin UST lost its peg for the second time in 2 days. That panic followed led to a collapse of Terra ecosystem on May 10th within 48 hours. Terra had lost 99% of its value. Now that things have cooled down, it's only natural to wonder, is Luna a good cryptocurrency investment, and how high can it go? So let's take a look at this, guys, based on analysts. Based on our long-term Terra price predictions, Terra is likely to reach $1 by the end of 2022, and $3 by 2023, and possibly $5 by 2025. Terra is also expected to reach at least $10 by 2030. So the big question now is, these Terra Luna price predictions realistic? Is Terra a good buy? So let's take a look at this. Luna price prediction end of 2022, they said $1 to 2025, $5 to 2030, $10. So now let's take a look at this, guys. Before its recent collapse, Terra was one of the biggest Ethereum competitors in the market. Other blockchains angling to beat Terra in a race to become the #1 platform blockchain are as below: Solana, Waves, Avalanche, and Near Protocol. So guys, now what's my opinion on this whole thing? Do I believe Terra Luna could actually get back to that $1 level, $5 level, maybe even 10? So let's go ahead and take a look at the price action of Terra now. So Terra is currently sitting at 0.00010, guys. So we got a market cap of 701 million. So guys, it could possibly see a rally going towards the, around July, August. I believe I'm gonna give it about, 2 more months before I believe crypto and also the stock market will fully be turning around. And whenever it starts to turn around, I don't think it's going to blast off that quickly to get back to $1. I do believe it could possibly get back to maybe a penny, maybe even 5 cents, before coming back down very, very hard, and then probably trying to slow grind back up, guys. But from my opinion, I think it'll be a long, long time before Terra Luna sees $1, $5, and $10 again. I mean, a crazy spike could come about and, make all of us happy, but I'm being realistic here, guys. So you already know what to do. Add me on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.